Come on. I can't see properly.
Glad you can only see my legs.
Alright, so I'm off to meet Sharon at the gym. We're gonna go do a little workout. I only just started getting back into working out since I had my wisdom teeth out. I think the swelling's gone down pretty good now. Yeah. I didn't actually have much pain. I've been asked by a lot of you guys if I had pain. I actually didn't have pain. I just got to the gym. Today I think I'm gonna do majority of legs. With a little bit of cardio kind of stuff in between, like burpees in between of like heavy squats. So I tend to start my workouts with booty bands and warming up my glutes with booty bands. I just use the Peach Builder Code. Warm up done with the booty bands. I tend to like to just turn my glutes on before I start working out, and that you actually do bring up a bit of puff. So I'm going to start lighter-ish and increase the weight as I do each set. Go down and swell and then push up. Some Russian twists. Oh, sorry. Some sit-up. Sit-up ball passes, Russian twists, and then plank high fives. Yep. We're off to get some lunch. Yummy. This is today's lunch. Grilled salmon, egg. It's like a poke bowl, so it's got a little bit of everything.
Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring, like it's gangland.
Chicken taste. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yeah. So I just got this package from Mr. Jones, just came home to it, it's like Christmas. I've been taking their multivitamins, so they send out a new packet of multivitamins every month because if you buy them, you have a month's worth basically. So there's morning and night tablets that you take. So this is my second month's worth. You can sign up to a subscription base, so which is what I've done. You get new ones sent out monthly. So you have the Rise and Shine, they're good for like your energy during the day. And then you have your Sleep Tight, which has your magnesium to heal your muscles while you sleep and to help you get a good sleep. So this is my next month's worth. Basically with the subscription you can cancel at any time, but it's really convenient because you don't have to reorder and all that sort of stuff, which can get a bit annoying. I'll link them in the description anyway if you guys were interested, but I've been taking these for a month now. Oh my god, it's freezing. I am actually going to a psychic. I'll let you guys know what she says. Dean Lewis's new song, Oh My God, I Die. Wow.
I look up from the ground to see your side and I wonder what's on your mind. And my friend said, when now you love her, but it's over.
I'm just going to get myself a turmeric latte and I'm going to get Mitch his latte as well. Take it back to him because I have about 40 minutes to spare and it's only like a 10-minute drive away. Got my lattes. So I'm here, but I'm like 10 minutes early. I'm just going to sit in the car. I'm really nervous for some reason. But I saw 11:11 literally the whole way here. I just kept seeing 11:11, so I feel like this is the path I'm meant to be on right now. I believe in 11:11. I feel like that's my number. I have it tattooed on me. Just got back from my psychic. As soon as I got in, she was like, whoa, you have a very strong energy. And I was like, and then she said this just crazy stuff. She was like, she's like, an app. Mitchell has an app at the moment. She's like, an app is coming to my mind. And she's like, is anyone around you doing an app? Are you doing an app? And she told me that my lifeline is very long. She said, you have your dad's genetic lifeline, which is very long. Then she said, you have spinal problems. And she said, you have a thyroid problem, which is actually insane because only a few weeks ago I found out I had a thyroid problem. She said, if you don't get that looked at, you will get Graves' disease. And she's like, can you hear your heartbeat all the time? And I was like, yeah, literally all the time. Can you stop sniffing the lens, Cash? Whoa. Lose my mind when I ain't got you. How can I win when I'm always bound to lose? I'm literally eating leftovers from last night. I've got potato, chicken. Not for you.
But do you know what it feels like to fall in love with you?
So I'm just curling my hair before tonight. I'll show you guys how I curl. So then I just push it out that way, grab it there, and then, shit, sometimes it doesn't work. You just do that. Oh, I just burnt myself. And then you flick it. Ah, fuck that up so bad. It looks like a pixie curl. Shit. Tiny bit of hairspray in there. And I've got a little bit of shine spray here. Guys, I've literally been Googling for the last 3 hours palmistry. I got Mitchell to send me a photo of his palm and I'm just trying to like see what his palm says. So I've been Googling for the last 3 hours. I've like read his palm just because Google. That is literally me to a T. And the psychic lady today was like, you've got training wheels on like you are studying at the moment. And I was like, no, I'm not studying. And she's like, I just got it, you're self-teaching. And I'm like, yeah, I'm always self-teaching. I'm literally on Google all the time. I'm learning about like nutrition. I'm always like learning about fitness, teaching myself stuff. And she's like, yeah, you are really good at self-teaching yourself, and she's like, you will be self-teaching yourself until you're 25, she said. So like that's 6 years of self-teaching, and she's like, so yeah, just keep self-teaching and blah blah blah. It's literally me. If I'm interested in a topic, I will research it till death, really, till I know everything about it. What are you doing? You in the video too? What makeup look are you doing? Just got to the Orville household. We're just having some prees and some nibbles.
My kind of phrase.
Bread and butter. You're the bread to my butter.
Sorry, Mom.
Okay, ready?
The day.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Don't get hair in my arms off.
Hey guys, so we just got home.
I don't eat burgers.
Is it not fit?
Shaz's tips are, don't go out. If you don't go out, you probably won't come home and eat burgers.
You know what? I'm all about balance.
And if you balance a burger and a drink at the same time,
You're fucking killing it at life. You're killing it at life.
You're fully balanced. Chicken nuggets and a Big Mac. And some squats at the same
actually
time.
it's not a Big Mac.
I got chips left. Who's got chips?
No, don't steal my chips. Thank you. Mukbang, watch us eat
Why do you want to
Macca's
see
when we're
that?
drunk. Someone's eating my pie suit.
So a Big Mac used to be big, right? And then they shrunk it in this little baby thing. Look, we got fucked over. Look at that. That's not a Big Mac. That's a baby shit ass Mac.
That's a shitty
We
little
want our money
Mac.
back.
Are you two sleeping together?
Yeah.
I'll just go fuck myself then. Is she doing a poo?
In one hand, out the other.
AGB straight after going boom.
Yeah, that's very early. That's an EAGB.
That's an immediate after going boom.
And I am at AGB. Is it? Okay. I'm like being confused with all my, I'll just say aneurysms. What are they called? They're not aneurysms.
Anonymous? Anonymous. What are they called?
Like, it's something like that.
My school line's not real.
That's why your school line was broken early on.
What did I do?
An
Immediate
IMG.
AGB.
Hang on, an IGB.
What is that?
Immediate grog bog.
Oh no.
Here's one I prepared earlier. I could eat the crunch out of a low blind duck. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
She bought a fucking suitcase with no wheels.
I did actually have a suitcase with wheels, but then the tiger decided that it
We got there in a
decapitated my wheels. So me and Shaz,
That's a really bad time then.
really bad down.
There's a really big
But
break.
it got really better.
It was really funny when we realised.
And that time was really funny, not.
That's such a mom joke.
Oh, and it carried on.
The dogs don't know how to land off.
I think I'm bleeding.
Oh my god, what's happened to you? Why is this even funny?
Because that's what happened.
What is that? You're mutilated.
That's what Mark does.
Actually, what is the
I
matter
think
with
I
you?
split my elbow.
No, it's dry.
Clearly you have.
I may have spit my food out.
What is actually the matter with you?
It's dry elbow syndrome.
We're not
No,
actually sure.
I'm not kidding. That's what Mark, it happens to Mark all the time when he leans on.
Don't.
I'm literally bleeding to death. I'm sorry, Shaz.
And actually, she has blood in her jumpsuit.
Now I'm wiping it on the fucking
Dishcloth.
Oh my god!
Julie, you still over.
No, yeah, I'm currently here.
I mean, I'll say to you, happy birthday.
So it's like midnight, Saturday night. I've literally had the bloobiest day ever. I've had a day full of junk food and sleeping, basically. That's all I've really done today. But tomorrow I'm gonna have a really productive day. I'm going to do all my housework, plan my week out.
Is that on now? Yeah. Should we go over to Sandy after this and watch it?
The local cafe.
Old cows, heads of
I'm gonna edit this video now and hopefully have it up by tonight. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.